until they go finish the song, finish. I never know the... You know, we cut song for center.
He likes to finish what he started.
Like
why your eye red? It's just a no get Apollo.
Must you talk am for public?
Okay, I'm gonna don't insult now, so then be public now. Then be public now. You don't insult them.
Could at least just tell me, say, I'm gonna have now.
Okay, but you get Apollo. Now I don't kuku talk and answer. Why your eye con red?
He just red.
I don't believe you. This your red, the normal red what they know now under eye. This one shifts to the center of eye.
Don't worry, it's my eye.
So I don't get Apollo.
We they see things.
So
Apollo, Guinea.
All of a sudden now my eye don't they itch me.
Go itch you. No worry. She be get fat eyeballs.
My eye they itch me.
You have very fat eyeballs. All
Don't get Apollo. Anyway, now the season be this, so please be very, 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 very careful.
Why you pink from your cloth enter your face? You pink from your cloth enter your face.
I don't know, and the color of the cloth not be even pink self at the end of the day.
Anyway, now welcome.
Welcome, Jerry.
Welcome you all. With red eyes and pink face, you are welcome. All right, so we'll continue with the show right now. Quickly. Everywhere they hot for the country. When I mean hot, I don't mean say temperature-wise. I mean say things red.
You red.
Happy New Month. Happy New Month to you all. The month of November don't come. I don't even pray prayer point again. No. All those, the month shall be the... How many don't pray? See, just go outside there, go and do the things that you need to do.
Yeah.
Leave prayer point. Some things just need to go and be done.
You know
if
the
it's
one,
not for
you know the one where they
prayer,
pain me
work.
pass.
You just kill yourself.
Now, people are going to send you Happy New Month message. Now, I don't have a problem with it. If only you send it to me directly. Now, BC. Now, broadcast. Now, general message. They bombard from early morning. Go to hear
me,
I had to put on my phone for silence.
Even your enemy go to send to.
Yeah.
Everybody they send.
The one where wish you and the one where no wish you. Everybody is just, you know, I beg.
But to the ones that will send me personal ones,
take it easy. If it's a personal message, yes. I understand that you have me in your mind. But busy WhatsApp, BBM, or the LinkedIn, Facebook. What happened?
Some people want to use to do relevance. It's relevant. Say, I still there here. Oh. Happy New Month. Oh. If black person they pass you in front of your house, they shout, Mayowa!
Happy New Month.
Happy New Month. Oh. Or go the compound.
All right, we're gonna go break or no?
I think we should be going on break, right? Anibaba, what's up? We're going on break. Okay, the same with the yarn.
Wow, give us the yarn.
They have changed.
The Lord, things have changed.
Anibaba,
have you read for you too?
It's a new month.
Has it read for you too?
Wow, it has read.
Anibaba, we thank the Lord. Give us yarn. Wow, so peppery is a change.
Wow,
yarn.
That change is spontaneous. Pigeon Yans, kills hills.
You know my favorite part is if you bow your face for once tomorrow, we help.
Yeah, last.
You understand? Last. Just smile. Smile, don't come and go and die.
Don't kill yourself.
Don't kill yourself. No, it's not worth it.
It's not worth it at
all. All right, so man treks from Lagos to Zaria for lover.
They can't give an issue.
A 26-year-old man, Tunde Agbaje, has reportedly trekked from Ketu area of Lagos State to Zaria in Kaduna State to prove his love for a lady, adding that he was on the road for 19 days. Sharon Donald, will be the name of the girl, Agbaje and Donald had met in Ikoyi, Lagos State, and had since been friends for the past 6 years. But she had turned down his marriage proposal several times. He was later taken to a hospital where he was reportedly treated for the injuries he sustained during the trek, which was monitored by a GPS tracker. He claimed he met her in food eatery in Lagos. He decided to trek to Zaria because her parents dated for 6 years in ABU Zaria before they got married. Still, like, okay, upon all these gist, I still don't know what to be your reason. You still have not stated the reason. You trek because you want to trek. It's sweet you to trek. Trekking is your hobby. So, at the end of the day, she still no marry you, have you?
But you still even tell me for the team. Say the girl first turned down several
attempts.
But they say, well.
If you say whether another one trekking, she go just say, hey, let me grieve for you, uncle. You know they work like that too.
So they say the parents of the girl meet for Zaria.
ABU Zaria for
the guy said
university.
He won't do the same thing. You understand? Because at 6 years when the parents say do it, so the guy want photocopy the same thing. You know say this one, the guys will get these days.
They're not really romantic like that.
It's not before.
Before
if you trek for a woman, they'll say, he trek for you. He's your husband. If he can trek for you, he will persevere for you. You have a patience.
He sustain injury for you. All his leg paining because he trek.
But now, if you like, trek the moon. If you like, go up, go carry some, come down.
Ogolo, you know the question we then go ask you now if you trek. What happened? Your mate has cars.
Oh, blood.
Why don't you have a car? Why are you trekking?
You would have flown.
You don't have flight money? What happened? You can never afford night bus?
At least.
Why are you trekking? Hunger will kill me in your house. No, please.
Oh, Lord.
I don't do trekking.
If you can trek, is it me you want to be trekking with?
Do you understand?
Is it me you want to be trekking with?
You want me to trek like that and say it's love? No, I can't do that. What happens to my children's children?
Yes.
They will trek.
Will they be trekking?
No. They'll bring great-grandchildren inside the matter.
No,
I can't.
I can't. Trekking.
Oh,
Trekking is not my passion. Trekking is not my passion.
No, it's not.
Trekking is not my passion.
Brother.
Trekking is not my passion.
No, it's not.
You can trek.
If you like.
But trekking is not my passion.
No, it's not.
You can trek.
If you like.
You can trek.
If you like.
But trekking is not my passion.
No, it's not.
All right, so uncle, you can carry your love to one place. I will not trek.
My brother.
God bless you.
Carry your trekking love. Just like when Adekunle Gold sing this song, say, if you no get money, Oriente no they complain, you ever make you Oriente. Carry your rada love, your poor love, and move to one side. Uncle, carry your rada trekking and move to one side.
But shout out to all the men they wait that side there, you know.
When they try prove a point.
When they try prove, you understand? Because the truth be say, some women do it, that guy go do that same thing too.
We go touch them.
We go see touch them. Say but these days marriage don't be by touching. No.
If you don't make a more, you know, if you don't start small, you just want to do that as a gesture.
As gesture, you understand? So, but if you get no they feel, they feel you. Let's leave it there. All right. So for my own gist, that clip we will play just now. It sounds like sports commentary.
Yeah, and he was just talking about November.
November. You know, and the FC and all right. But for this one, Marlon and Lisa Grennan, people that will get Pekin. They just born Pekin. They look the whole thing. They say, okay, instead of putting baby seat, instead of getting the person who they watch their Pekin
babysitter
as a human being, babysitter, they say instead they go use their god. Their dog take the baby seat for the Pekin. This particular dog, now dog way they don't ban for some kind of places, you know. But their own they look say no. This particular dog, they always watch over the Pekin anytime. Say even the elder brother to the Pekin be down already on the left. Say the same dog even look and when that one they grow, you know. Now so they look until they come born that one
the
again.
Pekin
So
looks
this
happy
one
with
now,
the dog.
and they say the dog they watch over the Pekin steady. So you know if you near that Pekin anyhow, that same dog they allow the dog to even lick the Pekin body self. Say because the dog don't show say.
They loyal.
They loyal even to the Pekin. So they say the day when they carry the Pekin come, the dog just run up and down. Say every time when the mama they change the Pekin, the dog go they look. If the Pekin just cry small, the dog go run go where the Pekin dey. Go come meet the mama they back say Pekin don't they cry you know. So they can't leave them as the baby sitter for their smallie.
They go miss the dog if anything do this dog go.
Only say last. Even some dogs then we don't do some badness for some kind of children. That's what the first be. All of a sudden, they all change behavior one day because na animal. You know, but well, if the owners then feel very confident about leaving their Pekin with the dog, and their own story. If tomorrow anything happen, God forbid, they will still face the consequences.
I'm very interested in this story. I don't know why, it just fits me.
Everybody on their own. Everybody on their own. Me? I don't know, Sha.
Dog and Pekin. If I get Pekin, a parrot. So that parrot. So that anybody come near the Pekin, the parrot will repeat everything. Come on, baby, baby.
Me, I still dog, Sha. Last. After everything, I still dog.
Dogs are, you know, they always talk and say dogs are my best friend.
You know how they talk that thing?
Why?
Because they're loyal. They're loyal.
The one way loyal.
If you beat dog now, if you beat them, beat dogs now, we get about 4 dogs now. If you beat dog now, they go go hard for corner. You can't pity them.
They'll be like Pekin.
You can't pity them. They know when emotions.
When you don't pity them.
They can't look say, uncle, you won't kill me. You beat them finish. No. Go outside, come, enter.
They'll follow you.
They'll run follow you again. Giddy, 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 giddy. Now you go to pursue them. Come on here. Shebi, I just beat you just now. Stay one place. Then lawyer die. Then they look, say, one thing. You know, that's why they say they be man's best friend. And if you train them well,
yes,
they go sack
then
you
they always
finish.
you know, see the stories of those dogs where we say the owner died, that one still in front of hospital.
Yes.
Any ambulance will come, you go they wag tail.
Yes.
Because if you say na your oga, he did there for years.
Some go their burial site.
Go stay down there.
You understand? So dogs. Anyway, we'll go on break right now. By the time we come back from the break, we get more gist on top. Yarn the yarn.
Okay, let's continue.
Oh, yeah.
If you are young, you're a young individual. You're a young individual. By young, I mean, yes, you are above 18. But if you are between the ages of 18 to 25, 18 to 26, you're a young individual. Accept it or not. You still have a lot to go through in your life. So be careful of some kind of things. If at that stage, you know you cannot father a child, don't go and be lalovio up and down. Don't go and be toasting girl and telling them to open their leg.
Some people
because that's the problem of this one.
They don't have a father child.
Do you understand?
When I mean father child, they feel born, but cannot take care.
They still cannot take care.
So who are you
What is wrong with you, for God's sake? At the age of 20, you go get your girlfriend, you give her belle, that one still day school. In fact, the girl comes see him, she they go back her dormitory. You know, you give her belle, you can't know the stupid thing when in do. You can't go put bleach for inside water. Make the thing block. You know, say if block the inside, you no go really know the white. You no go really know whether something mix or not just block. You give them, say make she just drink more water before she they go back her dormitory. Say, you know, something to help boost the baby. I know now her boyfriend now. Now she collect the water, just drinks more, they go. Now when she reach dormitory, now she begin, her throat feel like say it they burn, like say she want her throat one burn through away. And then rush and go hospital. Luckily enough, the pikin and the girl, then they okay. They can't arrest the guy for attempted murder. Now the funny thing be say, he say she get belle, 2 months belle, he won't abort the pikin. Okay, you quiet, Abi? You silent?
I don't go silent.
Okay.
I don't go silent.
Okay.
What do you think, Christian? Say it's in our juice. Anyway, like we talk just when we start the whole thing. If you know, say you're never ready for the responsibilities of fathering a child, please keep your machine gun for one place.
Yes.
Please control it. Control it. You say the A, B, C, the abstinence. What's it? Be faithful, and then last one they say make you wear raincoat. No. So I come out the second and the third one. The first one, abstinence. Wait, must you love you?
Is it food? No, but I want to ask you this question. Elon, listen to me very well. Is it food? Is it government work? Are they paying you for it? Is it trophy? Do you used to receive payment? They say for every lalovio, they will give you 3 million. As you are lalovio, you are depositing point, you they get a lot. What happened? Why do you want to kill yourself and kill the life of other people because of lalovio? Okay, now the girl even carry belle self. Now you want Congo kid. You want Congo kid about the people without her knowledge, Okwaya. That means even if she die in the process, it's okay. You are a murderer. You come with the reason say bleach. You say bleach, you just enter. You just like who go say okay, make I just find poison give you. If you drink the poison, now the pikin go die. Not be you go die. Uncle. Do you know how many things can happen to her? Do you know you can destroy her reproductive system? You can destroy her menstrual cycle. Do you know because of that she may never be able to have a child again? Are you mad? Anyway, you are a murderer. Whatever. Read this story. But maybe they just give us laugh. You're just lazy. I also think I just test you. Oh yeah, let me. It just go forth. Let me read this. It's not hard. Oh yeah, read it. Now time I didn't look. Know. Before this murderers will be. So hello, auntie in Chinese town. Hi. How are you doing? So beautiful, so peppery. Say auntie. Wow. Auntie in Chinese town, she has like 20 boyfriends. No, not she has 20 boyfriends. Maybe if you ask her now, she'll say, no, they're not my boyfriends, they're only toasting me. So let's assume that she has like 20 different people toasting her. You know, now, if you want to buy the new Apple product, that one at the new iPhone 7, is around 475,000 naira, basically. Now, this auntie will get like 20 toasters, you understand? She just tell all of them, if you know you want to date me, if you know you want to hit it, if you know you want to with me, buy me iPhone 7. Wow. So now in 20 boyfriends buy her iPhone 7, one each. That's 20 iPhone 7. Ew. Now 400, I'm calculating in Nigerian money. Ew. Now 475,000 times 20. Because she sell them. As them buy am for her new, she sell all. Even if she no fit sell am at that 400 something, she go sell am at least. She no go sell am less than 300K.
At least.
You understand? Because now new ones is still there. But maybe she go sell am for dealers where they sell phones. Now that she sell all the 20 to them, she collect the money. She use them jejely go buy house.
Hell!
So as we speak now, she's a house owner.
Hell!
That is her house right there. She's the owner of a house. You know? With the money that boyfriend, each 20 boyfriend buy an iPhone 7.
Hi.
She sell all of them, go buy a house. Auntie, we're done.
I don't know who. She can say the girl sharp.
She's sharp.
But
She's sharp.
all these 20, you can say out of all these 20, some guys know Lalovio.
It's possible say she no dey date anyone.
Possible say she know. It possible say she know Lalovio with anyone. I said that possible say she Lalovio with all. It's a possibility.
Yeah, it's possible.
It's possible.
It's a possibility.
So, but any which way,
but
you only
either
should say the girl self she sharp.
She calculate and say
sharp.
she sit down with paper and biro. We calculate.
Okay, if I do like this,
don't
Donatus bring your own. Silvanus bring. Romanos bring.
Nyen, Nyenyong, Chanwing, Chanling, Shunwing, Changwing, all of them bring all their own.
Hey.
475 Ogolo times 20. Katia, ni 300 times 20. 3 times 2 is what? 6. Put all the zero.
Amili.
60 million. You buy out.
Okay.
Come on.
No go give herself high BP. Because this girl now, she don't open some people eye. If you did it now, you be gay. You don't say because some boys they toast you. You want use the same pattern. Nigeria different too. Nigeria different. But at the same time, evil can also be for people. If you have to dupe people, if you go dupe, because I'm duping now.
Yes, now.
Now, because you go mislead person. You understand? Ani Baba, this shout where they shout like this. They pay you to shout like this. What's wrong with you? Let's go for Laugh the Laugh.
Right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy, at Mayowa Lambe, at Fonny Ogbolo on Twitter, at Mayowa Ikbu, at Ogbolo on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook /Wazobia TV NG. Search for Paddy, we did here.
All right, so we'll see you now tomorrow. God bless you. Get better day, okay? And be good to one another. Happy New Month once again.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.